In this video, we'll learn how to add procedure code and create procedure code template in PinkyBill. Add a new procedure code. Click on the Settings button in the top right navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Practice. Choose your desired practice from the list. Click on the CPT code tab. Click the Add New CPT code button. Fill in the CPT code details. Procedure code. Enter the CPT code. Description. Provide a brief description of the procedure. Charges. Enter the charge amount. Modifiers. Optional. Enter any modifiers if applicable. Click the Add button to save. Your procedure code has been added successfully. Create procedure code template. In the CPT code tab under Manage Practice, scroll to the CPT code templates section. Click the Add New CPT code template button. Enter the template name. Use the search field to look up existing CPT codes. Select the desired CPT codes. They will appear below as selected items. Click the Add button to save the template. Your procedure code template has been added successfully. Use the eye icon to view the CPT template codes.
PinkyBill.